Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening iMovie and creating a new movie project so your assets are organized. Import the clips you need. This ensures media is optimized by iMovie for playback. Once done, create or pick an event, then drag your first clip into the timeline to establish the sequence. You do this first to lock timing and pacing, and to let iMovie generate thumbnails and waveforms that speed trimming and transitions. Now refine the middle of your edit. Trim with yellow handles for rough timing, then use split Command+B for precise cuts. Add transitions and titles to guide viewers. Layer B-roll above your main clip to hide jump cuts. Make audio adjustments, fade handles, normalize, or reduce background noise, because clear sound keeps attention. For visuals, apply color balance or stabilization and use Ken Burns to animate photos. Finish by exporting. Go to Share, choose File, and set resolution, quality, and compression so your export matches delivery needs. Make sure to check the exported file for audio-video sync and visual artifacts. If you spot issues, re-export at higher quality or change codec. If iMovie crashes or stalls, clear disk space, update Mac OS and iMovie, or delete render files from the project to rebuild previews. This often resolves playback and export failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.